How to say I am cleaning, I was cleaning, I will clean, and I must clean in Algerian. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Speak Algerian with me, Jamila. This is episode 8 of the Daily Phrases series. In disclaimer, I teach the Algerian dialect spoken in Algiers, the capital. The first word is rani, I am. Rani. Ra-ni. Rani. The second word is nimsah. Nimsah. Nimsah, which is literally I clean, but paired with rani, I am cleaning. I will clean in Algerian is ha nimsah. Ha nimsah. I was cleaning kunt nimsah. I am cleaning rani nimsah. I will clean ha nimsah. I was cleaning kunt nimsah. I must clean, I have to clean. لازم نمسح. لازم نمسح. Comment below what daily phrases you want to learn next in Algerian, and so check out the link in my bio for resources and to book classes, and also don't forget to follow to learn more Algerian درجة with me. I am in bed. حنمسح.